For the homework, what we're doing is just calculating the unknown areas by using the Pythagorean area relationship. So we know that a squared plus b squared, so we know this square plus this square together must add up to the biggest square, which is this square. Okay, so we're using that relationship. A squared plus b squared is going to give us the c squared that we want. The unknown side, we're going to add 25 plus 25 to get the area. So that c squared is going to be 50 centimeters squared. And remember that the biggest side is always going to be off the diagonal. So for the example below here, we're going to have to subtract the areas because to get the a squared area is going to be the smaller area. So we're going to subtract from 25 squares. For part 2, we're not only finding the area, but we're going to find the edge length. So a squared plus b squared. So again, if we take a look at a square, there's our a square. There's our b square. Together, they're going to add up to the c square here. Okay, so that's the first thing we're going to do. The area c square is going to be a squared is 27, b squared is 22, so c squared is 49. When we add those two numbers together, we get 49 centimeters squared. So we know that that's going to give us 49 centimeters squared. Okay, I think it's a good idea to write it right in there. Now, this question, we need to figure out the side length. To find side length, we take the square area 49 and we square root it. So on my calculator, square root of 49 works out to be 7. So we know that the length of C is 7 centimeters. Okay, so the area is 49, the length is 7. So I want you to find the area and also the side length.